Ever wondered why smart contracts, advanced as they are, struggle with real world data? Well, there's a groundbreaking solution: Chainlink. By the end of this video, you'll not only fully understand Chainlink's unique position in the blockchain world, but also why it's crucial for the future of smart contracts. Welcome to Crypto Bookworm, your go-to channel for easy-to-grasp crypto education. My name is Jim, and I'm here to break down the complexities of the digital asset world into bite-sized, animated lessons. I personally believe crypto is the future of finance, and I want to help you make sense of it all. Now, before we jump into Chainlink, you need to understand smart contracts. Think of smart contracts as the digital agreements of the blockchain world, automatically enforcing and executing agreements when certain conditions are met. It can be compared to a simple vending machine, where you put in money, make a selection, and it gives you a snack. Similarly, a smart contract runs on the blockchain and ensures that when specific conditions are fulfilled, the agreed-upon actions happen automatically, all without the need for a middleman. For instance, consider an e-commerce transaction where payment is automatically released upon confirmation of delivery. This is the efficiency of smart contracts at work in the digital space. But here's where they hit a snag. Smart contracts are good at handling data on the blockchain, yet they falter when it comes to real-world information. This means they're limited to accessing information stored on the blockchain. Real-world data, like the latest weather updates or sports scores, is beyond their reach. This limitation poses a question: how can smart contracts become truly transformative if they can't interact with the real world? Enter Chainlink. Imagine a world where a smart contract knows the outcome of a sports game in real time or tracks stock market changes as they happen. Chainlink bridges this gap, making such scenarios possible. Now you must be thinking, so what really is Chainlink and how does it work? What makes Chainlink different? And what's in store for its future? Let's get into it. So, what is Chainlink? Think of Chainlink as the real-world messenger for smart contracts, bringing in external data to make them far more powerful and versatile. It acts as a bridge between the digital agreements on the blockchain and the real-world data we interact with every day. This means it enables smart contracts to use external data, like baseball scores or stock prices, in their operations. Let me take you back to when I first stumbled upon Chainlink. It was back in 2017, and the buzz in the crypto world was all about smart contracts. But there was a clear limitation: their inability to interact with real-world data. Then came Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network with a vision to seamlessly connect the digital with the physical world. This was revolutionary, solving a critical problem in the smart contract space. Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, the brains behind Chainlink, along with Ari Jules, authored a 2017 white paper that laid the groundwork for this innovative technology. I remember feeling a mix of excitement and curiosity. Here was a solution that could change everything we knew about smart contracts. The network itself, known as Link, was launched in 2019. Being an ERC20 token, it meant that it was compatible with other currencies and smart contracts supported by the Ethereum platform. This compatibility was a game changer, opening up a world of possibilities. So, what sets Chainlink apart? It's the real-world connection. Chainlink extends beyond typical blockchain technology, reaching out to integrate diverse external data sources. This includes not just stock prices or sports scores, but also things like flight schedules, international currency exchange rates, or even real-time shipping data. Chainlink stands as a reliable intermediary, ensuring the accuracy and timeliness of the data fed into smart contracts. I can recall the exact moment when I grasped its expansive potential. It was an eye-opener. Imagine smart contracts and supply chain management automatically executing payments based on real-time shipping updates, or insurance policies instantly processing claims based on flight delays. Chainlink isn't just refining blockchain technology, it's pioneering a new wave of practical applications that resonate with our everyday experiences in various industries. Now let's dive into how exactly Chainlink works, clearing up any questions you might have. Data is the lifeblood of many applications. It's what keeps them running. But incorporating this data into smart contracts on the blockchain can be tricky and expensive, considering the blockchain's isolation from the outside world. Enter oracles, the game changers in this scenario. Oracles, like Chainlink, act as a bridge between the blockchain and real-world data. Think of them as the messengers that bring outside information into the blockchain world. They're crucial because they make sure that the data flowing into the smart contracts is accurate and up to date. What makes Chainlink stand out is its vast network of data sources and the large number of nodes it operates. These nodes are managed by various entities and companies, and they're responsible for fetching the requested data for smart contracts. For their services, these nodes are rewarded with link tokens. We'll have more on link tokens in just a bit. Chainlink's operation can be broken down into 3 key steps. 1. The reputation contract. This is like looking up reviews before making an online purchase. It ensures that the oracles Chainlink uses are reliable and trustworthy. 2. The order matching contract. Think of this as a matchmaking service, but for data tasks. It pairs up specific requests with the most suitable oracles. 3. The aggregating contract. This step collects all the real-world data and delivers it neatly to the smart contract. It's the final piece of the puzzle that makes sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. For example, let's say you're into sports betting on the blockchain. Chainlink is like that sports expert friend who always has the latest news and betting odds. It provides the smart contract with accurate, unbiased information, ensuring your bets are based on the most current data. No more frustration over outdated info affecting your bets. Before you move on, if you enjoy my videos and haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Your support helps me continue to create high-quality, educational content based on my experiences for you to learn from. Let's shift gears now. It's time to meet the Link token, the essential currency in Chainlink's ecosystem. When you need real-world data in blockchain applications, Link is your go-to payment method. It's the driving force that keeps Chainlink's operations thriving. Imagine Link tokens as rewards showering down on the vital contributors of Chainlink, the node operators and developers. These tokens are their well-deserved recognition for maintaining and enhancing the network. The value of Link tokens stems from a mix of factors. It depends on the number of operators working to secure the network and the various use cases of the decentralized Oracle network. As for Chainlink, or Link, at the time of the recording of this video, it is ranked number 12 in the crypto world, with a market price of $14 and a market cap around $8 billion. The total supply of Link tokens is capped at 1 billion. About 35% of this was sold in the 2017 ICO, and the remaining supply is allocated for network development and to motivate node operators, ensuring the decentralized Oracle network stays dynamic. With over 450 million Link tokens in circulation, it's an active ecosystem. What's unique about Link is that its circulating supply doesn't increase over time, but there's more to Link tokens than just being a currency. They act as a powerful incentive for oracles to deliver accurate and reliable data. If you're a Chainlink oracle, your reward in Link tokens grows with the quality and reliability of the data you provide. It's a straightforward yet effective way to ensure excellence. Chainlink is more than just a background player in the crypto landscape. It's similar to a blockchain superhero, linking smart contracts with real-world data and finding applications in diverse sectors like finance and gaming. It's the force that smooths out the blockchain experience for everyone. Chainlink's approach to decentralizing smart contracts not only heightens the security and accuracy of the information, but also showcases its adaptability. Being compatible with any blockchain, Chainlink stands poised for expansive growth and diverse applications. Now, what about the future of Chainlink? It's like a seed with the potential to grow into a mighty tree, branching out beyond finance. Imagine its roots extending into healthcare, supply chain management, or perhaps even supporting space exploration contracts. The scope for growth and application is as vast as a forest, filled with endless possibilities. Investing in Link is not just about capitalizing on current trends. It's a vote of confidence in the future. If you do choose to invest, you're supporting Chainlink's innovative role in revolutionizing blockchain technology. Yet, every groundbreaking technology has its challenges, and Chainlink is no exception. Building unwavering trust in the data it integrates is crucial, especially in the ever-evolving blockchain world. While Chainlink is a rising star in the blockchain space, its Oracle network is still in its growth phase. Achieving broader decentralization is on the agenda, but it's a journey that may span several years. From blockchain limitations to Chainlink's critical role in bridging the digital and the real world, one key takeaway stands out. Chainlink is fundamentally about forging that vital real-world connection. I'm curious, has this sparked your interest in investing in Link? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I hope I've made this confusing topic easier for you to understand. If you found it helpful, a thumbs up and subscribing is always appreciated. Also, for those confused by the hype around NFTs in gaming, watch my latest video to discover the impact of NFTs and their potential to create new income opportunities for gamers.